Look at this 5 completely different lash set. What separates a beginner from a booked out lash tech? It's not just application, it's a lash mapping. And welcome everyone to the ultimate masterclass. Today, I'm going to take you under the magnified glass to break out the exact map for the 5 most requested styles in 2026. Doll, cat, wispy, fox, and anime. Okay, mapping number 1, the doll eye. The goal here is to open the eye, make it look rounder, brighter. Using the Ciula hydrogel pad, I divide the eyes into zones. The longest length are placed exactly in the center, directly above the pupils. We taper down drastically toward the inner corner and outer corner. For example, 8 to 10 mm in the inner corner, picking up 12 in the center, and dropping back into 9 in the outer edge. This map is perfectly for who have hooded or monolid eyes. Next is the classic cat eyes. This is an ultimate elongator. We start very short in the inner corner, gradually increasing the length with the longest extensions placed at the outer width. Here is a pro lash tip. Never put your longest length on the last natural lashes. Drop down 1 to 2 mm at the absolute edge to prevent the eye looking droopy. Warning: avoid cat eyes on the downward turn eyes. Now let's talk the texture. The Wispy Hybrid, also known as a Kim K look. This map requires your layers of mapping. First, map your spike. These are your longest length. You're using the Ciula Promade Spikes. Place them evenly across the lash line. Second, map your base. Your base fan should be 2 to 3 mm shorter than your spikes to make the texture pop. Apply your spike first to ensure the perfect symmetry. Then fill the gaps with your base fans. The fox eyes is taking over 2026. It's sharper, more lifted than the cat eyes. The secret for a fox map isn't the length, it's the curl. You must use an L or M curl. Keep your inner 2/3 of the eyes very short, around 7 to 9 mm. Then, aggressively increase the length to the outer third. When applying, directly the extensions outward, horizontally, rather than straight up. This creates a snatch and eyeliner effect. Finally, the most viral map right now, the anime or manga lash. This map is all about extreme contrast and negative space. You will map 5 to 7 thick, prominent spikes across the eyes. The spaces between those spikes are filled with extremely short and fine lashes. Sometimes it's just 6 to 7 mm. The spike must stand out completely. It must give that innocent, doll eye animated appearance. Knowing the map is only step 1, matching the map to the client's eye shape is what makes you the true artist. Almond eyes can wear almost anything. Round eye need the cat eye elongate. Hooded eyes need the doll eye to open up. Stop guessing and start mapping like a pro. Grab your premium products from the link in the description. Which map is your favorite? Comment down, subscribe, and I will see you in the next masterclass.